Convicted double murderer here in the Tri-Cities made his final court appearance today, at least for now.
Howard Hawk Willis is fighting for a new trial. His defense team is trying to show there were constitutional problems in his original double murder trial. Hawk Willis was sentenced to death after being convicted in the year 2010. He's accused of killing 17-year-old Adam Crismer and 16-year-old Samantha Crismer. They were newlyweds from Georgia.
The teens' dismembered bodies were found in a downtown Johnson City storage facility back in 2002. When Willis was on trial the first time, he went through 9 different attorneys before he was forced to represent himself.
Now, all this week, his defense team has been arguing in court in Jonesboro that trial was not fair to Willis. News Channel 11's Clarice Shaley was in court for his third appearance today.
She's live now outside the courthouse in Jonesboro. Clarice, what happened today?
Well, Josh and Sarah, today starts the process of the judge answering the main question posed these past few days. Were Howard Hawk Willis's Sixth Amendment rights violated during his original trial?
This is, number one, it's pretty much as serious an issue as you can get in the law, to deprive someone of the right to counsel in a death penalty trial.
It's an issue Howard Hawk Willis's defense team has been fighting these past few days. Was Willis's Sixth Amendment right to counsel not met?
There's a reason why our founding fathers said everyone gets a lawyer, and especially when it's a literal matter of life and death.
A judge in his previous case ruled Willis would not be appointed another attorney after going through 9 others. The question from this argument now comes if there should be a cutoff point for how many attorneys someone can go through.
No, I think it's extreme to say there's no cutoff. I would not say there's no cutoff, but what I would say is if you have a person who's got legitimate complaints, if you have a person who's just got nonsense, that's one thing. But in this case, Mr. Willis had legitimate complaints. Maybe he was right and maybe he was wrong, but they weren't just out of left field.
This then leads to another issue of how to determine a legitimate complaint and who determines this. An attorney on Willis's defense team, Joshua Hedrick, believes it should be based on the attorney's patience.
Patience is the key to working through a problem like this. Sometimes what it takes more than anything is not authority, but patience.
Now, from today, both sides submit their closing arguments to the judge, and his decision could take some time, with it expected to be made in either May or June. Again, if the judge decides there were constitutional problems in Willis's prior case, he could order for a retrial. Live in Washington County, Clarice Shaley, News Channel 11.